Hi Libra, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your love bite now. Let's see what's the message for you today, Libra. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So my angel spirit guides, bless this reading for Libra and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Libra, welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all your loving support to the channel and me. And if you're new here, of course, we welcome you too. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Oh, one soulmate connection gone wrong here, Libra. My God, center of my spread, I see the devil. So the cards I have on the table, Libra. Emperor, somebody wants to take back control, or could be Libra, you could be dealing with an Aries. So what from the cards I have on the table are the Six of Cups, the Ace of Pentacles, the Sun, the World card, the Devil, Eight of Wands, Strength, Four of Wands, and the Page of Pentacles. So Libra, I feel somebody's get really obsessed about an ending which has maybe taken place in the recent past. They do want to communicate. They're very restless about this ending that's happened. Somebody is obsessively thinking about the communication that needs to take place so that they can now get back control of this relationship, which is in troubled waters right now, I'll be honest with you. So before I begin the reading, Libra, I'm going to take some dialogue message cards to see if you guys could say something to each other. What would that be? I think this is the first that I've seen the center of my spread, the devil staring at my face. So I wonder what that is all about. Libra and their person. If they could say something to each other, Spirit. Libra and their person, if they could say something to each other, what would that be? Thank you. And I'm going to take a few more from here, Libra. Libra and their person. Thank you. All right, good to go. I'm going to take a few more messages from the heart and we'll start your reading, Libra. All right, let's see now, Libra. The first card here that I have, it says, I feel like I've been fighting for your life, for you not only to stay alive, but for you to be your authentic self and to thrive. I want to see you embrace your dreams and fly free from everything that's been holding you back. Maybe just one person was fighting for this connection. I want us to be able to talk through things properly. The only problem is, in your presence, all I seem to have are wild, dirty thoughts about what I want to do with you, to you. Okay, so I do see somebody wants to have this brand new start. They do know that communication is very required, but there is so much of sexual tension and passion between the two of you that I think things just go the wrong direction each time. Next card says, when you told me you thought I was too good to be true, I was one of the few good and true people in your life. Next card says, I get so triggered seeing you do things for others that I want you to do for me. It pisses me off because we should be together. Why are we wasting time for? Just give me a second, Libra. I need to shut the door. There's too much noise. Sorry. Okay, so the next card here says, I want us to build trust and work on a foundation of friendship before we can have a romantic and sexual relationship. So I think one person's been always seeing this relationship from a very sexual angle, and the other person is saying, hey, how about building a friendship? What about this friendship which never kind of works up between the two of us? And because there is no foundation, there is absolutely never any new beginning that we can have, because it's never that perfect happiness. It's very lopsided, this relationship. I don't want to live without you in my life anymore. You're all I think about, and I'm haunted by your presence. I long to be with you. Yes, now somebody wants to kind of make things right or be back in control after things have really messed up here. My heart breaks a little bit more every day that we are apart. I'm healing my heart from past hurt. Give me some time. Please get to know me again. I have changed. I see my future with you. Alright, so Libra, if this is your story, let's start clarifying these cards. But before that, I would like to take an angel blessing card, see how my angels can help, maybe with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for you. For my Libra gang spirit, blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Libra. Steady progress. Yes, Libra, whatever has happened in this connection, this kind of behavior is not going to work in this connection anymore from what I see. This overpowering passion and drive and I want you now kind of thing is not going to work out. You'll have to start from scratch from what I feel. Things have really ended here. Things have really, really stagnated. And to begin again, it'll have to be brick by brick into a friendship first. Okay? Alright, so what happens, Spirit? Six of Cups and the Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Six of Cups and the Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Somebody was waiting for a message which never came. Somebody was waiting for an offer which never came. Somebody was waiting for one person to level up and pull them out of their depression. Never happened. So now I think there's a lot of bad memories created in this connection because nobody is offering the other stability in this connection or a fresh new, ground to work on for longevity. Yes. There's a kind of feeling from what I'm getting, Libra, there's a kind of feeling of hopelessness here. More of acceptance that all right, if this hasn't worked out, it hasn't worked out. I'm going to make life through the way it is. I'm not very happy, but I live with it. Almost kind of a depressive energy from what I feel. Why? Because something has ended here. What's halted, Spirit? Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Yes, no communication. Or something maybe was communicated to say that I'm not interested. One partner may have said I'm not interested anymore. Sun in reverse. Yeah, somebody's put a halt to this relationship and walked away. I was getting that vibe. Maybe somebody didn't invest in this connection when the time was right. Right? So somebody I think communicated that, hey, listen, if we can't be friends, if we can't have a stable relationship which carries any weight. Look at this weight of this one pentacle in this person's hand. There is no weight in this connection, and if it's always going to be this, then might as well put an end to this connection now, and I'm going to walk away from, hoping to make things work. I don't want to have forward movement with you. Maybe they waited for some time for the other person to kind of send them a message or something, which never came. I think one person has kind of stopped waiting for that offer and is getting out of this overthinking. Will they? Won't they? Will they call me? Will they? Won't they call me? Not that they're happy about the situation. Sun is in reverse. Why is that, Spirit? Why is the sun in reverse? Yeah, but the sun is in reverse because now either they found out about third parties here, Libra, or they've realized that I this is not going to work out, right? This connection is not going to work out. I might as well get away from a very toxic relationship now and concentrate on myself. Let me be single, abundant, happy in my own life. Yes, this is not my 10 of Pentacles. I am happy, but not that happy doing it. But I'd rather be a bit happy than be miserable. I definitely don't want to be in this state for the rest of my life. So yes, one person has snuck away from the connection to find happiness, whatever little bit they can, okay, by themselves. And ended this connection. The World card, Spirit. What's this World card? When I say end, I mean a complete end, Libra. Feeling betrayed, feeling it's like over. World card with the 10 of Pentacles, 10 of Swords is like complete ending. So then what's the Devil now? What's the Devil card, Spirit? What's the Devil card? Now the other person, I think, now doesn't want to let go. They're still holding on. Now as they see their partner walking away, they are becoming more and more obsessive, it seems, because they want to find victory. How can you leave me? I have ego and pride. I'm not going to, face this, to know that somebody's walked away from me. How is that possible? So yes, somebody wants to hold on, and they're holding back, but they still want to have victory. This is obsessive behavior of saying, I don't accept it. I don't accept that somebody else is going to walk away from me. It's very strange, very strange. One more, Spirit. This Devil has kind of been bothering me from the word go. So what is the Six of Wands? Yes, this person just wants victory. They want to hold on to the connection. They're saying, the problem here, Libra, is one person wants passion, one person wants love. One person is saying, if there is no love, I'm releasing this connection. I'm not going to be here just for the fun of it. The other person is getting more and more upset because they are feeling this release, because they still have this passion. They're obsessed with their person. And it's almost like a fight between the good and the bad. I'm not saying passion is bad, but when it's only passion and no love, then it becomes toxic. So what do I say to this combination? I want passion, I want victory, I'm obsessed with you. So what is this Eight of Wands, Spirit? Eight of Wands. Eight of Wands. Eight of Wands. Yes, I think somebody is saying no. Somebody is saying no. I feel there is no love. I don't want passion either. I'm releasing this connection. I can do without the passion if it doesn't have love in it. I'm dropping this connection. I'm not fighting for it anymore. I'm passing judgment on this connection. I think they've been very vocal about it as well, and said, hey, you've made me feel always abandoned and left out where love is concerned. Now I'm going to leave you out. I don't want to have passion with you either. So Strength card in reverse, Spirit. Strength card in reverse. Whatever this communication has happened between the two of you, Libra, it's led to some broken hearts here, big time. This relationship has actually lost the strength that it could have had if one person had not just chosen passion over love. Now I think as much as somebody wants to have a communication about, can we end this and can we move past this fight, the heartbreak is so severe now that they can't find a way to move forward. They don't know what can I say. There's a lot of restless energy as well. What can I say now? What can I say to move this relationship, forward again, leave this fight, and can we kind of make up again? As much as this Libra, this could be you, King of Swords, as much as this clear communication needs to happen, this heartbreak is too big now, so big that this has lost its weight. The connection has lost its what's this 4 of Wands, Spirit? 4 of Swords, sorry. What's this 4 of Swords in reverse? What's this 4 of Swords in reverse? What's this 4 of Swords in reverse? I think the more time that's going by, instead of somebody healing themselves or thinking of a way out, they're getting more and more restless. They're getting more angry. Oh my God, this card just keeps coming up. It came up in the pre-shuffle as well. Somebody is very angry, somebody is very restless, somebody is going through some kind of a depression, and instead of finding a solution, the frustration level is increasing day by day. And they're turning this person into the Magician in reverse. This is a trickster energy. This person is not being able to manifest their connection back, and the sexual frustration is turning them into I don't know what to say to this person right now. They can't stand the fact that this connection has come to an end. Page of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit. Page of Pentacles in reverse. Page of Pentacles in reverse. Page of Pentacles in reverse. Yes, the other partner, I think, yes, this is a soulmate connection gone wrong. This came out sideways. I'm going to pull it back. Take one more. What's this 3 of Wands, Spirit? Restless, 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 ready to fight, ready to fight, ready to fight, but I don't think in a very good way here, Libra. This is a soulmate connection, yes, this could be a karmic connection too. I think that love is there. There is a deep love between the two of you, but ever since, see the story, the way I see it is, one person was concentrating more on the lust part of it, the other person wanted love as well, and that was not being offered. So one partner has taken back charge, taken back control of their own life, and said, hey, I don't want to deal with a connection which is going to be imbalanced, and they've walked away. They're not interested, which is turning the partner left behind now, the person who only wanted lust, into turning this connection into an obsession. They will stoop to nothing. Tricks, fights, frustration, anything possible, because they can't stand the fact that this connection has come to an end. Maybe their partner is looking out to see what else is out there. This love is felt. This love is felt big time. Both of you, I think, feel this connection, but in the 3D reality, if it's not balanced, one person is walking away from this connection and the other person is losing their mind big time. So just be a little careful, Libra. If you're the one who's walked away, this person is not balanced in their mind at all right now. They will stoop to nothing. To anything. Magician in reverse, Knight of Swords, and the Devil. Alright, so be careful. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.